Hello everyone, I am Greeshma from first year Information Science Department. I am here to talk about my new innovation posture correction chair. A posture correction chair is designed to improve your posture while sitting. It has unique design that promotes proper alignment of spine, hips and shoulders. It can be used in variety of settings including at home, in the office or in a classroom. It has sensors which is used to sense the posture of the user and provide feedback or reminder to the user to adjust their posture. It will help to prevent future health problems which arises due to our improper posture. The main target users are working professionals, students, and also the general public to, to fulfill their jobs. Office employees, businessmen and women, and accountants can use this type of chairs. It is inbuilt with sensors and LEDs, which will indicate the seat occupant that the person is sitting incorrectly. It will encourage core activation. It will increase blood flow, improve circulation. It will be effective in improving posture. By providing proper support and alignment, a posture correction chair can be reduced pain and discomfort in the neck, shoulders, back, and hips. Posture correction chairs can be designed to be comfortable and supportive, which can be um, help and supportive sit for longer periods of time without experiencing discomfort or fatigue. When when you are comfortable and pain free, you are more likely to be able to focus and be productive, which can improve your overall work performance. That's all. Thank you.